Well, good morning from a very wet Cumbria. I'm heading to Carlisle. I've got one pallet for Cavanagh and Grey. There's one down the back lane where you back up. And then I've got all the rest is for East Kilbride Sainsbury's. So I'm on the west side today. It's been a while since I've done Cavanagh. Weather's crap. I think our summer is done up here. Hey ho. I don't know what they've got planned for me afterwards. Could be a Bartlett's or it could be, apparently now, well, it's not apparently, it's true, we've picked up contract with Eden Valley Water. Now I've done that one once before for my old company about a year and a half ago, more than that. Middle of winter, pitch black on this country road, and funny enough, I was at Sainsbury's East Kilbride. My time was running out the day before, and I asked them if I could have me 9 in their yard, and they said yes. That's when I walked across to, what you call it, like a, not a Toby like, but similar, and I got a proper nice meal there and whatnot. What I'm doing. Yeah, it was a canny little pub, and then I just walked back to my truck in Sainsbury's, had a kip, and then I drove through the night to get down to Eden Valley Water. It'd be interesting to see if I've got that one while it's daylight. We'll see. I'm sure to get it one day. I'll fire this back on again when I get near my drop. I'm only 9 miles away. I'll talk to you then. We got roadworks. Took us about half an hour just to get over the roundabout, over the top of the M6, because it's down to one lane, 4-way traffic signals. Doesn't look so bad going back the way though. One mile. It's 12:10 by the way. 20 minutes before the tune kick-off at Cardiff. Oh yes, it's back. In. Nothing here.
at home to it.
The trick is with this is to try and keep it as close to the trees as possible. So try and get in and kick your back out a little bit. Looks good. Reverse manoeuvre. There you go. Tight, but you get it. Sorry? Aye. Alright. It's just the front end, mate, that's all, buddy. That's it. That'll do that. Lovely, thanks a lot, bud. Need nos of that. Thank you. Doors open. Forklift right along the side parked up, and you're blind on your right a little bit, so just squeeze it in. Well, that was literally, I backed on, he went straight on the red, I went straight to the gate, like to the door, and it was off, and now I'm on green. 2 minutes. The time it took to get in here with the bloody traffic, it's crackers, isn't it? One pallet, bang, done. I'll just stop here. I came off the bay, like I said, record time, but on the back there's like one of the pallets. On my paperwork it said 2 pallets, and then I had a look and it just did not look like it belonged to Sainsbury's, so I quickly back onto the bay, and he went, no, not mine mate, definitely not mine. Okay, so I rang the office just to treble check really, and sure enough it's not. It's just got a different name on the paperwork for Sainsbury's for that pallet. Actually on the pallet, I don't mean on the paperwork. Like all the other ones behind it had Sainsbury, East Kilbride. This one pallet didn't, and it had Daniels written on it, and I'm like, well, he says I'm dropping Daniels off there. Just double check, treble check. You don't want to be pulling away halfway up the M74 and you get a call. Why didn't you do that? Blah blah blah. This is the traffic on what I came on to, right over the roundabout, all the way down the road. M6. I am 6, baby. ...84 miles before I turn off, 93 miles to my destination. Walk in the park. Ah well, Newcastle missed a penalty in the 95th minute. 0-0. I'll just have me 15 in there, and that'll put me bang on time for me delivery as well. The security guard tried to put us in 76, which is the other side, but I know it's always going to be the 90s for me. So I've just stopped anyway. Come in, I went, look, your mate at the front there tried to put us on such and such. He went, oh, he's murdered that. Now when you just want to go home, and they say go home, get in. East Kilbride, back to Weston, 7:35. Wouldn't that be lovely? Could be back in the house at 8:30. Stop here, give me a piece of paper, see if he wants us to open the back doors, because I'm empty, and get out with a dodge. you can wish and hope and work your knackers off to get home nice and early, and then they go, you pop into paradise. I know.